guys, welcome back to another video. So the final piece of the carbon fiber puzzle has arrived. It's a full carbon belly pan from Ilmberger. Like the rest of the carbon on this bike, everything is Ilmberger, made in Germany. Let me go grab it and show you guys. So here it is. This is a one piece, unlike the stock belly pan that is two separate pieces. I already applied some Expel Ultimate PPF paint protection film to try to preserve the finish, but Ilmberger actually uses a pretty thick coating on here, so it's pretty durable even without any PPF on it. These run for a little bit over $1,000 US, which may seem a little bit on the higher side as far as price, but it's worth it all day in my opinion for the quality you're getting. This is the best of the best. I picked this up from motivationusa.com, which is a dealer for Ilmberger carbon parts. These belly pans are made to order in Germany, so it takes a few weeks to get here. Just be mindful of that. So let's get right into the install. So one of my least favorite things about this bike is all this bare plastic. This whole belly pan is probably the biggest eyesore on this bike. Doesn't really match anything. So I knew when I bought this bike that I had to swap this out with carbon or get a color matched Black Storm metallic, which I think would also look pretty good. These are all Torx T25s. Yes, I could be using power tools for this, but I'd rather take my time and not risk scratching anything. So you got 5 Torx T25s on each side. You got 2 on the bottom right here. And then you got 2 on each side by the radiator. The stock belly pan is a 2-piece. So there's some plastic screws that you could remove down here and split it apart. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to pull it all apart in one piece. Just makes it a little bit easier. So you're going to have to swap over all these C-clamps over to the new carbon fiber belly pan, as well as these grommets. Now you want to be super careful. Alright, so I got the belly pan mounted up. The only thing is some of these screws do not work with this belly pan. The pre-drilled holes are too small. And it doesn't fit this little shoulder. Like the stock screws have this little shoulder on them. This does not fit in that hole. And I can't just drill it out because it looks like it's like reinforced with metal. I'd rather not drill it. So I'll probably just order some new screws. So I'll just measure these up. I'm not sure if I'm going to do titanium yet or just get black ones. But more to follow on that. All the spots that have the grommets that we swapped over, those fit fine. It's just the ones that have these pre-drilled holes, the smaller holes. So I'll show you guys what it looks like for now. I'll have to put the screws in a later video when they come in. It's probably going to take a few weeks if I do go with titanium. Alright, so unfortunately we weren't able to finish the whole install tonight. I'm going to measure up these screws, get them on order without the little shoulder on them. In the meantime, I have a few other parts I need to install. The rear sets and axle sliders came in. I also got to install the carbon fiber swing arm cover and the rear hugger. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.